Hello guys, today we're going to be reviewing a dual monitor desk mount from Wally. I got this from Amazon. I really needed like a dual monitor setup because my monitors were basically touching the desk and I needed more free space. So I just went on what had good reviews. I decided to just get this. It was reasonable price. Um, and it has full rotation. I'm gonna do an unboxing first, and then I'll show you the full setup once it's set and done, and then you guys can see the adjustments after that of how you could actually have your setup as well. Yeah, so overall, I really enjoyed how sturdy it was and the full rotation about it. Um, would I get this again if I have to? Yeah, it was very well reasonably priced. It's very sturdy, easy to use. Even just to lock it, it came with all the tools with the Allen keys. You just adjust it as you want. Um, I really wanted this set up as one vertical and one horizontal on the monitors. Um, One thing. Oh, it also comes with with some cable management little brackets or clips, as you say. Um, so that's a plus as well. I just need to work on actually fixing my cable management. I just set it up real quick just to do the review, but I'm gonna adjust it as I go. Overall, great product. I recommend it if you